Alright, so if Google is taking forever to sync your files, it's usually not your internet, it's a setting inside the driver itself. So let's speak this back up. So to start simple is to open your task manager. So when you look out for your task manager inside here, you wanted to find the Google Drive in the list and clicked inside this element the option that says end the actual task. Then you wanted to reopen the drive from your start menu. A surprising number of sync slowdowns clear up with just the actual restart. Now, if you go directly into one.google.com and the section about, inside here, what's going to happen here is that you can check out if your account is nearly full, drive will slow down or stop syncing entirely. So if you're out of this page, you want to delete files or update your plan before syncing will speed up. In my case, I have a ton of storage, so I don't think that could be the actual problem. Something else, for example, is that you wanted to click into Google Drive icon into your system tray, and you wanted to check out the actual preferences and manage your folders instead of your entire drive. So syncing hundreds of thousands of files at once is one of the biggest reasons drive slows at the actual crowd. So what I can suggest to you is that when you want to sync files, you want to be selective, right? So you want to be selective fixes this immediately, so you don't have to wait a lot of that. Now, you can go directly into your preferences and go to the advanced tabs that you can be finding directly inside your Microsoft owned device. Usually what I do is to go into my settings, general, and view items taking up storage. Sometimes there are a lot of files or even just a few files that can be taking more than even 1 GB. And once again, if you are trying to go for something a little bit more specific, try to don't select all at once and just go one by one. So make sure you're running the latest version of Drive for your desktop. Outdated versions are a common cause for slowed or broken syncings, and also temporarily disable your antivirus software to test if this is interfering, remembering to turn it back into you afterward. And basically that will be actually it. The last resource that I can be giving you is that you can be looking out for an actual speed test and go for Ctrl-Alt Supreme to check out once again the actual task manager to see which one is taking a lot of your memory and your CPU when you're going to be syncing your actual Google Drive files. So when you find somebody else, for example the OBS Studio, I select the element and look out for end task to see if Google Drive is now working a little bit much more faster. So if this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.